To put an ion speaker in pairing mode and connect it to a Bluetooth device, start by turning on the speaker and pressing the Bluetooth button. Next, open the Bluetooth settings on your device and check if the speaker is listed among the available devices ready to pair. If it is, proceed to connect it to your phone or computer. A sound or a Bluetooth symbol on the display will indicate a successful connection. However, if the speaker is not detected or fails to pair, it may be because it is still connected to a previously paired device. In this case, turn off the Bluetooth on all devices that were previously connected to the ion speaker. Then, reset the speaker's Bluetooth to remove any existing connections and restart the pairing process. Once this is done, try connecting your device again. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully put the ion speaker in pairing mode and connect it to a Bluetooth device.